What is up, guys? Sorry about the music in the background, but Stella is sleeping. And so we're going to be playback trading today, actually, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, please take a look at that screen. Okay, let's go. We have that setup that we took earlier today, and it's a double top, first entry, second entry. Oh, I'm sorry, no, double bottom, first entry, second entry, non-obvious, buy, and that was the scalp, and that was it. And a huge spike down. Now we got a swing high, first entry, second entry. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we want to do here. We do have a good amount of like rejection right here at this level. Let's see if it's consistent with the minute chart. Pushed up really high there. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut the broken. I think overall trend is still gonna be up, especially since this is just one leg down. But who knows? Find out together. Looks like the one ticker already triggered. Doesn't look like we're getting the trade. Spoke too soon. There it is. End the trade. Nice. So overall trend stood out because just keep pushing higher, and it's just one leg down. More support on this side to declare it overall uptrend. Plus you have this entire move from basically almost market open on your side. But looks like there's a nice consistent high there somewhere. Alright, it's been some time, but we hit that high, kind of created a big wick on F5 in the minute chart, but overall trend could potentially be down. Since it's a rangy day and you got a bunch of legs in that direction, support on the other end, meaning in the long direction, has been broken, so overall trend looks like it's going to be down here, I think. Alright, there's the trigger. Did hit a low. That could be a potential overall uptrend here. A little inconsistent, but that's alright. This could be it, potentially. Reacted there. They're a little separated, so I don't know if I like it. Would have liked a little bit more consolidation, but of course we'll find out right now. Let's find out. Should hypothetically work, unless this really carried some weight, and we didn't really need consolidation with the tests, even though there's separation. There's that test again. There's the consolidation. Okay. So it looks like that was enough tests. It looks like I guess you don't need enough. Okay, well, consolidation. Well, it is not a U. Technically, it is a bunch of tests, though. Even though there's separation, there's a lot of consolidation here. If we draw it off the minute chart here, you can see that there's something a little bit more consistent off of that guy right there. And you can see that play through just like that. And so overall trend is going to be up at that point. Probably going to put this in this story. So almost got triggered on this guy. We would have got it, I think. Yeah. One tick short. Overall trend would just be down there because you had the break. As you can see, it's a small break, but it's a break nonetheless. So overall trend still down. You do have two legs up, but that's a lot more evidence going short, or the overall trend to be down. There's much more evidence for the overall trend to be up at this point. So it's kind of repeating yesterday or one of those days. It looks very similar. I think overall trend could be up. We did push really low past that, but then we pushed up really high back up into this direction, and that corrected the entire move. And it is a rangy kind of day, so I guess overall trend could potentially be up here. but we're bouncing off this high right here. Alright, just got triggered on it, so we'll see. This is a classic second entry on an overall uptrend. Straight up back strategy right here. Let's see if it doesn't work. Oh, okay, Mac. I see Mac. Overall trend is just up. Yeah, no FOMO, no nothing. Good trade. Right, I think overall trend could be down here. Is there something I don't see? Huge spike up, but good push down though. Looks like overall trend could actually be up still. There's not enough evidence for the overall trend to be down here. Alright, now we got the two legs, yeah. I think that's more than enough evidence for an overall downtrend. It kind of works psychologically, I think, because you have at first we were selling, right? But now we have a stronger push down. Mentality is FOMO, so people are going to start reacting in a specific way because of that push, essentially. I think we're going to switch. No, the entrance here is a lot better than this guy. Whatever. Well, it looks like it would have triggered already, but we're treating this as the signal bar. I guess we could make that the signal bar. It is on the minute chart. Yeah, let's just do it. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? 2, 4, 6, 7, 2 ticks. So 75 right here. So I guess overall trend is actually still up there. Oh, hello. I don't know, how often can we do that? Actually, it could be following consolidation. Not too much of a gap, not too many gaps there. It's consistent gaps, so no like one major gap break like this one right here. Switch tick chart. Kind of got staircase highs here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take a staircase there. There's a lot of stops there, I think, due to the fact of this spike here. Actually, it might just be a normal spike. Yeah, I think it's just a normal spike, so this could still be an overall downtrend or uptrend now. It's a tough one. Huh? I'm a little tired, but let's see if we can still trade this pretty good. That was weird. Swing high, first entry. I mean, staircase, that's a good chance. Let's freeze. Hold on. Let's think about this. Overall trend is up because you have two legs up, but overall trend could most definitely be down. You have a much stronger trend. That could just be a two-legged correction, but it is a rangy kind of day, and we almost came to these lows. But it's just not strong as a push. Yeah, I'm not going to take it as an overall uptrend. Or do we? Could we even go for a one ticker? I'm gonna say this side doesn't have as much evidence as this side besides a massive move. But that massive move could be enough for the overall trend to be down. Yeah, let's just say that. I don't know. Alright, we're in the trade. We're out the trade. So the sell was the best option. Overall trend is just up there. Yeah, we should have stuck with our gut instinct. So even though there's a good strong trend down, this has just as much evidence as this. Even though this is a bigger push, that doesn't make any like much of a difference because this is a good two-legged move, and this one's a pretty decent move. There's no highs here to support the overall downtrend. There's just maybe a little bit more lows here to support the uptrend, but nonetheless, this is a rangy day, and that's the most important reason that becomes an uptrend. The falling congestion pretty much helps too. I should have noticed that. I think we're about to, yep, did a 1-tick sell. Did a 1-tick sell because I think this was a staircase low. It was a good trend, ton of lows there. That's it. It's not staircase low, and it's not a staircase low. Is it a staircase low? I do not know. 100 times speed. Alright, I guess it was a staircase low. Nice. I don't think a buy would have worked actually. Yeah, because our buy order is higher than our stop, so yeah, the 1-tick sell works there. Could also continue it there. Yeah, I like that. I like the staircase lock. It's not a spike, it's a trend. It's a nice solid trend, and you have a ton of lows there. A good reason for a ton of people to go long here as well. So yeah, the break with the correction, two-legged move, continue that. Yeah. Swing high first entry, second entry. Unless this was a whoop-de-doo high. I mean, unless this was an actual low, staircase low, that little gap in there is what's throwing me off. I feel like we traded something like this. Can't remember what the outcome was though. I think we said just because of that it wasn't valid. I think, yeah. Oh, good trade. So that gap in that staircase low is definitely unvalid. So that was your staircase low, and hoppity boopity bop. Of course, there's no second entry there. Good thing, unless you had a swing high first entry. But it's a massive move, so I'd be hesitant. Just like that, we had our goal, even though we had back and forth. Alright, I guess we got a swing low, first entry, second entry. Second entry, this is our signal bar. Looks like overall trend is up. No staircase high. We are coming up into this high, but it's a tough one for sure. Alright, I guess we could treat our uptrend. Alright, we're testing that high. It is the overall high here, so we don't have too much info on it. Let's see. This is still open from this morning. If you get a strong, it's a valid level. Bring past it for a short amount of time. I don't think we broke past this high even, so, but I think this actually might be valid. So overall trend could be down here potentially. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. Came to the tick. See if we can get back in it. Okay. Looks like we actually technically could get in it. Excuse me. That's too. Yeah, so it's separated. It's not going to carry as much weight. We never really tested it like that before, but and plus we didn't get major rejection here, so I guess you would need major rejection first before the overall trend to be down. And in this case, it could be down here, and it could really just be the one test like it was here. Overall trend is down there. Yeah, you have swing high first entry. You could just buy right there. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, and you probably just gotta buy a little. We went for a non-obvious sell, right? It's a fun. Alright, Got swing high, first entry, second entry. Munching Tycoon to play GTA. He's the best hacker in the whole city. It's a non-obvious self. Overall trend is down. Is this 1, 2, 3 tests? A ton of tests. So overall trend's got to be down. So we got to go for a buy here. A non-obvious buy, or we could do a swing high first entry, second entry, and this is our signal. Or actually, our signal bar is this guy right here. Let's see if I'll come back and get us. If it does, there's a chance it might stop us out. Bye. See you later, friend. Cool. See you. Nice to see it work out. It's 12 o'clock, so I think we'll go ahead and call it. Pretty good trading, nonetheless. Yeah, I think we had some pretty good trades, and yeah, peace out.